And as you already know, this is sort of one of those rapidly developing situations. Many cancellations and postponements of events all day today. In fact, Tampa Mayor Jane Castor just announced the cancellation of the River of Green event and the postponement of this weekend's St. Patrick's Day Parade. 8 on your side's Jeff Patterson joining us now live from the Hillsborough County Emergency Operations Center. It's all hands on deck, and it's hard to keep up here, Jeff. Bring us up to date.
Good evening, Keith. It is a rapidly developing situation. City and county leaders met here just a short time ago to be briefed on COVID-19 and the current situation with the virus, and they are making some very difficult decisions.
This morning, Tampa Mayor Jane Castor met with healthcare leaders from 4 Bay Area hospital groups to talk about preparations underway for a possible surge of COVID-19 cases. The mayor says it may start with a phone call from someone who thinks they're sick.
Every entity, from health providers through telemedicine, through 911, all of those individuals should have the basics to go through with anyone who calls with questions or with concerns.
This afternoon, city and county leaders were then briefed by the head of the county health department about the current situation with the virus.
The age, the underlying illnesses sort of put people into a very different category.
During the day, Mayor Castor says she consulted with medical professionals along with event organizers and made the difficult decision to cancel the River of Green celebration in downtown Tampa and to postpone the Rough Riders St. Patrick's Parade.
We did talk about the postponement of it, and we would possibly have St. Patrick's Day circa June, something along those lines. We really want to ensure that we have the ability to celebrate and have a parade, but we just can't do it now.
Yeah, we may call it the not exactly St. Patrick's Day Parade. The mayor says they have not made a decision right now on WrestleMania. That event is scheduled to happen in Tampa in April. It draws thousands of people to the city. Big economic impact. I did speak to an epidemiologist today who told me that warm weather will impact this virus and prevent its spread, and so by April things may be fine, but they'll make that decision as circumstances and events warrant. Keith?
Yeah, that's good for us because we warm up obviously more quickly than the rest of the country, but you're at the Emergency Operations Center. What's the plan if we do, hopefully not, but if we do see a surge in cases?
Well, all 4 hospital groups were represented this morning at the mayor's news conference. They say they are ready for this. They have contingency plans, a multi-layered approach. But right now, they're just advising people, if you think you're sick, if you think you've been exposed, please don't show up at a doctor's office or emergency room. Call first and let them tell you how to respond.
Jeff Patterson reporting live for us in Tampa. Thank you.